With the clip opened in the source monitor, you can drag the blue playhead to see what's on the clip. The playhead has also been called the CTI, which stands for Current Time Indicator. Wherever the playhead is located, that part of the clip is on display in the source monitor. I'm moving the playhead across the video to see what part I want in the sequence. I want to include the part right before she enters a shot. I'll move the playhead to where that starts. I can use the arrows surrounding the play button or the arrows on the keyboard to find the exact spot to start. Now that I've found it, I want to mark that as my end point or starting point. On the source monitor, there's a tool to mark the endpoint. I'll click on that. Then I'll move the playhead to the out point I want. When I find it, I'll click on the Mark Out button on the source monitor. Notice the space between the Mark In and Mark Out points is highlighted. There are different ways to add the highlighted part of the clip into the sequence. I'm going to show the most direct way. Click on the image in the source monitor, hold the mouse button, and drag your mouse to the sequence. Notice two items were added to the sequence. They're stacked on top of each other. One is the video of the clip I added, and the second item is the audio from the clip. See, the video is on a video track and the audio is on an audio track. Next, I'll open another clip in the source monitor by double-clicking it. I'll repeat the process of finding my endpoint, marking it as an endpoint, finding the out point, marking the out point. Now I'll click on the source monitor and drag the highlighted part into the sequence. That's how to use the source monitor to choose which part of a clip you want in the sequence.